Getting started, let's go over the basics of deep learning. Before diving into generative AI, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of deep learning. This includes concepts such as neural networks, activation functions, backpropagation, optimization algorithms, and regularization techniques. There are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials, books, and courses that cover the basics of deep learning. Popular resources include the Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera, the Deep Learning book by Ian Goodfellow, Joshua Bengio, and Aaron Courville, and the TensorFlow and PyTorch documentation. Next, you probably want to do is study generative models. To get started with generative AI, it's important to study the different types of generative models, including generative adversarial networks (GANs), variational autoencoders (VAEs), and sequence generation models like recurrent neural networks (RNNs) and transformers. Understanding the principles behind each type of generative model, how they work, and their strengths and weaknesses will help you choose the most appropriate model for your specific task or application. There are numerous tutorials, papers, and online courses available that cover the theory and implementation of generative models. Experiment with frameworks. Once you have a solid understanding of deep learning and generative models, it's time to start experimenting with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These frameworks provide powerful tools and APIs for building and training generative models, as well as utilities for data loading, visualization, and evaluation. Start by implementing simple generative models like simple GANs or VAEs and gradually move on to more complex architectures and tasks. Experiment with different hyperparameters, architectures, and training strategies to gain intuition and hands on experience with generative AI. Explore applications. As you gain proficiency with generative AI techniques and frameworks, explore different applications and use cases across various domains such as image generation, text generation, music generation, and video generation. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up to more ambitious projects as you become more comfortable with the tools and techniques. Collaborate with other researchers and practitioners, participate in online forums and communities, and stay up to date with the latest research and advancements in generative AI to continue learning and expanding your skills. By following these above steps and engaging in continuous learning and experimentation, you can embark on a rewarding journey into the fascinating world of generative AI and unleash your creativity to create novel and impactful solutions across a wide range of domains and applications.